movies, and we are learning the dance from the movie Something Borrowed. So if you guys happen to like today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Okay, without further ado, let's get dancing. Let's get right into it. So you're gonna take 4 steps going to your right, and you're gonna do like a step together, step, touch. So you're gonna step right, left, right, left. So try that again. Ready, and right, left, right, left. Good. One more time. Ready, and right, left, right, left. So you're going to be using your hands as well. So your hands are going to be to your left, and you kind of have your hands just drooping down. So you're going to flick them up, then down, up, down. So again, your hands are here, and you're going to flick them up, down, up, down. So trying that with the footwork, hands are off to our left, and trying it with the steps, we flick them up, down. Okay, trying it again. Ready, and up, down. Good. Another thing you want to add is you're going to be looking off to your right, and you want to look down. So looking down at the floor, you have your hands off to your left. Trying that now with the hands, the footwork, and now your head to your right. So we go up, down. So again, one more time. Ready, and up, down. And so the counts are actually going to start on 5, 6, 7, 8. So from the top, with the counts, we go 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're now going to take 3 walks to your left. You're going to start with your right foot. You're going to walk right, left, right. So your right foot's in front. So again, we just did the flick. So we start on 5, 6, 7, 8. We walk 1, 2, 3. Ending with that right foot in front. So we just finished the up, down. We walk 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, I have my right arm out, and I have my hand out, and my finger pointing up, using that right hand, and we're on a bit of a diagonal to our left. We're going to take that hand across, and then to our right. So what it looks like is we're here towards our left, right hand. We take it across to our right, so our head just kind of follows your hand. So you're going to follow your hand to your right. So trying that again, we just finished the 5, 6, 7, 8. We walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can really take your time on that, really take it slow. We go 3, 4, 5, 6. So your right hand is out. You're looking off to your right. Now you're going to do like a little mini ka-ching with your hand. So your hand's out. You're going to bring that hand in. Your elbow's going to go back, and your hand is in a fist, doing a little mini ka-ching. So facing the front, we're looking to our right. We bring it in on 7, 8, ka-ching. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, facing the back, we're 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So trying that from the top, we start on 5, 6, 7, 8. We walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, then we'll add on. Here we go. Hands out, and we start on 5, 6, 7, 8. We walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this next part is pretty fast. So we'll try to break it down slow, but we'll get a little bit faster and faster as we keep working on it. So we finish on the little ka-ching on 7, 8. So the steps, you're going to step, so your right foot's in front, you're going to step back. So now your right foot is back, and you're going to do like a mini slide going forward with that right foot. And then you're going to bring your left foot back, and then you're going to do another mini slide with the left foot. And because we're doing it slow, you can make it into a hop because it's hard to slide while we're going slow. So that left foot, we bring it forward, try to have your balance there, and then you're going to bring that right foot back, and you're going to do like a little mini bounces, like right, left, right. So you're kind of transferring your weight right, left, right. So going from the top, we just did the ka-ching on 7, 8. We bring that right foot back, right, mini hop, left, mini hop, and then the transferring the weight, right, left, right. So now you're going to bring that right foot forward, so sliding it or hopping, whatever feels best, and then bring that left foot back, then bring that left foot forward, back on the right, then one more slide with that right foot, and now you're going to do it on the left side, doing the little transferring your weight, left, right, left. So a little mini bounce, left, right, left. So going from the ka-ching, we bring that right foot back, and now we slide forward with that right foot, right, left, and right, left, right. We slide that right foot forward, and left foot's back, left, right, and left, right, left. Okay, try it again. It is challenging. So we're here on 7, 8. Bring that right foot back, and bring it forward, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring that right foot forward, and left, right, and left, right, left. Okay, try it again, a bit faster. We're here on the ka-ching on 7, 8. We bring the right foot back, and right, left, right, left, right, and left, right, and left, right, left. Good, let's try it again. Ka-ching on 7, 8. Here we go. Right foot back, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Again, faster on the ka-ching. 7, 8. We bring it back. Right foot, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Let's do it again, faster. Ka-ching on 7, 8. We bring the right foot back, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Okay, so as you can see, it gets faster. So your hands are also going to be doing a little bit of movement. Same with the chest, kind of doing like little pulses. So you kind of go 1, 2, and then when you do the transfer the weight, kind of do a double pulse, 7 and, or what are the counts? 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then 5, 6, mini pulse, 7, and 8. So when you do the transferring the weight, you kind of double on the pulse, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. So as you can see, I just have like my hands and fists, and I'm kind of just bringing my hands forward slightly as I bring my chest in. I go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'll face the front so you guys can see what my footwork and upper body is doing at the same time. So we bring that right hand in, or we bring the elbow back on 7, 8. So trying it, we go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's kind of what it looks like in the speed of it mainly. So if you're having trouble with the movement, that is totally understandable. Just keep watching it back, keep going over it until you have it, and then you can move on. But okay, let's go from the top. And 5, 6, we start on 5, 6, here we go, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so we just finished with the transferring the weight, which is left, right, left. You're now going to swing your right leg out. So you have a straight leg, your foot is flexed, and you bring it so it goes out and then in. So out, in, and then left foot, out, in. So we just did the left, right, left, 1, 2, and then as you bring that left foot in, you're going to do a mini ones. You're going to go right, left, right, and then you're going to do it again, left, right, and then we bring it in, left, right, left. So again, from the transferring the weight, which is just 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So as you can see, I'm bringing a little bit of a bounce to it. It has a little bit of a bounce. It's a fun movement, so you want to make it light and fun. So we just finished 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's try it again. So we just finished the 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, whole thing from the top. Starting on 5, 6. Ready, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, next part. You're going to, I'm actually going to face the front for this. You're going to use your left hand. You're going to take it to your right. You're going to go 1, 2. So imagine you're like serving the platter. 1, 2. So left hand, taking it to my right. I go 1, 2, and then you're going to take the right hand, taking it to your left. 3, 4. So we serve the platter, serve the platter. So 2 to our right, and then 2 to our left. When I say that, I mean I'm taking it to my right, taking it to my left, but I'm using my left hand, right hand. So serve the platter, serve the platter. So going back, we just did the 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So left hand, right hand. So double, double. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, we're towards our left. Using my right hand, I'm going to have both hands come out. Hands are in fists. We're going to circle it around to our right and then bring it in, and then around to our left. So we take it around, around. So we just did the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We take it around, around. So I'm taking it my left all the way to my right, and then right all the way to my left. So I bring it out, and then in. So going from where we bring our right foot out, then left foot out. So going from there. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take it around, take it around. Okay, we are almost done. Let's take it from the top, and then we'll add the last bit on. Here we go. Ready, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, last part. So we're going to go from where we just did the serving the platter. So with that left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're here. You're going to push it. So your hands are here. You're going to push it out and then in. And then you're going to take it all the way around to your right, all the way around, bringing it in. Then you're going to push it out, in, and then this time, instead of taking it all the way around, you're going to do a turn going to your left. So you're going to use your left shoulder and you're going to take it around. So what I do for my hands is I just circle them around my head as I'm doing the turn. So we're here, we push it out, in, and then you're going to turn to your left to get you around. So you really want to push with that left shoulder, get you around. So going from the first 1, 2, so we're here, sorry, going from the 1, 2, 3, and 4. So go from that part. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. We push it out, in, and then try with the turn, 7, 8. So if you're not feeling comfortable with doing the turn, that's okay too. So instead, what you could do is you're here, you push it out, in, and then just take it all the way around to your left. So let's go from the serving the platter. So we do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Try with the turn. 7, 8. And again, I'm just kind of circling my hands around my head. Let's try it again from the same part. From the serving the platter. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good job, guys. We officially have finished the whole dance. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna run it a couple times. So the first time we run it, we're gonna face the back, or I'm gonna face the back, full out. And then last time we run it, I'm gonna face the front so you guys can see me. Okay, and if you guys are having any trouble with any of the movements, just keep watching it, keep going over it until you really understand it, and then try this part with me. Okay, so here we go. So full out, guys, going from the top. Here we go, ready, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, last time. Here we go. Facing you guys. Get yourself ready. Ready, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. If you want to see this dance with the music, make sure to check out that link below. And if you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.